Here's how to fix the Netflix household error. First, make sure you're not connected to a VPN. If you're using a Windows computer, open Settings and select Network and Internet from the left side. Then, click on VPN and check your current connections. Make sure any VPN you're using is disconnected. For example, if the VPN shows not connected, you can close the settings window. After disconnecting your VPN, open Netflix again and check whether the household message has disappeared. If you're still seeing the same error, the next thing you can try is completely closing Netflix. Whether you're using Netflix on a laptop, phone, or television, make sure the application is fully closed. Once Netflix is closed, disconnect your device from the internet. On a computer, you can turn off your Wi-Fi connection. If you're using a phone, you can enable airplane mode temporarily. Once your internet connection is turned off, open the Netflix application again. Netflix should now open without displaying the household error. Instead, you may see a message saying that you're not connected to the internet. At this point, go back to your Wi-Fi settings and turn your internet connection back on. Your device will reconnect to the network, and Netflix should reconnect as well. After the connection is restored, check Netflix again to see whether you can use the application without receiving the household message. This method can work across different devices, including phones, televisions, and computers. However, if you've tried both of these methods and you're still getting the same error, open Netflix in your web browser and sign into your account. Then, click on your profile in the upper right corner and select Account. From the Account page, look for the option related to Devices or Access and Devices. Open it, and you'll be able to see the devices and locations currently signed in to your Netflix account. Review this list, and if you see devices that you no longer use or don't recognize, sign out of those devices. You can then return to your device and sign in to Netflix again to check whether the issue has been resolved. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.